Time is the one thing you can't get back, which is why I'm excited to talk to you today about our newest listing in Inglewood, 1226 15th Street, Southeast. So what's unique about this one is that among a sea of detached homes, this home is a bare land condo, which gives you back more time. You don't have to mow lawns, you don't have to shovel walks, exterior maintenance, not a problem. Gives you more time to do the things you want to do in Inglewood. Checking out festivals, going to cafes, having good meals, walking to and from downtown or the Saddledome, maybe even enjoying the Bow River Pathway and all things outdoors. So now we've showed you Inglewood, let's speed things up, show you the house. First thing you'll notice is great light. East and west exposures and balconies on both sides of the house. Make sure you take full advantage of Calgary's great light inside and out. On your way through here, you'll see the formal dining area. It's a great spot for holiday meals. But here is where you'll do most of your living. Really nicely laid out kitchen with an eat-up bar, and a nice casual, relaxed living area. Make this the spot you'll spend with friends and family. Upstairs, we've got a classic double primary layout, separated by this den here. Informal living area, maybe works nicely as an office. It finishes through this way in the master bedroom with this great vault, and again, fantastic east light. Now this is the part of the video that's not sexy, but this is the heart of the home. This is where we're saving you money. We've got a newer furnace, newer hot water tank, central vac, water softener, water purifier, all great things to make your life more convenient.